Good news back to back. Discord is giving away free Nitro to everyone. My friend has received this 1-month offer and I will show you how to claim it, but before that, join my Discord server for free decors and layouts. We got a ton of channels and they are all totally free. Plus, we a ton of varieties for layout channels. There are many chat channels, so chat with people from all around the world. And if you want premium decors and offers, we got it covered for you. We also do free Nitro giveaways. So what are you waiting for? Join us now. As you can see, Discord is giving away free Nitro. They gave it to my friend. As to why exactly? I suppose it's because after claiming your free Nitro, they expect you to buy their profile decorations. I am sure you know that Nitro members get discounts on profile decorations. Anyway, I will show you how to claim the Nitro. If you also got this offer, just click 1 month free Nitro. You can see both yearly and monthly plan. Just pick monthly since you will get only 1 month free one. Now you get 2 options here, PayPal or card payment. You can use anything you have. And voila! The Nitro has been activated on my friend's account, which is literally for free. I will also show you steps you need to do after claiming the free Nitro. Just go to subscription and cancel your subscription first. This must be done so they won't charge you on the next month. So after this is finished, go to billing and remove your payment method. Here they will ask your password or 2-factor authenticator code. And there you go. It's done. They won't charge you in the next month, and you can also keep your free Nitro for 1 month. Also, this is not for everyone. Discord will pick members randomly, so it's up to them. Anyway, if you like the video, hit like and subscribe button.